Hey guys, it's me again. How are you? Did you miss me? Hey! Did you have a good weekend? What did you do? Tell me all about it. What did you do? Anyone? What did you do? YouTube. What did you do? Instagram. Tell me. Tell me. I want to know all about your weekend. Yeah? Come on. I was at home and I was planning all my lessons. What else was I doing? I was watching Netflix as well. Watched a couple of films. I was cleaning the house as well. Yeah, we need to be very, very clean now. What else was I doing? I was surfing. Surfing? No, I wasn't. But I was surfing the internet. Yeah. We say surfing the internet. So I did quite a lot on the weekend, actually. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it was. What about you guys? What did you do? I hear, who's that? Rodrigo. Hey, Rodrigo. How are you? So you were playing Fortnite? You were playing Fortnite? Of course you were. Of course you were. Well, you're going to like today's lesson because today we're talking about Fortnite. Hooray! Yes! It's not all about Fortnite though. A little bit about Fortnite, not all about Fortnite. Okay. So today's class is all about. Oh, the police are outside. I wonder who they're chasing. Today's lesson is all about communication and technology. Communication and technology. That's what we're talking about today. Okay? So, first of all, my first question to you is, what is this? What's this? Anyone? What's this? Can you see this? What is this? This is a what? What is this? Anyone? No? I'm gonna pop a timer on because I've been told, that has been going a long time. I talk a lot, so I have to put a timer on. Keep an eye on what I'm saying in class and how long I'm talking for. Yes, very good. It's a smartphone. Yes, a mobile phone. Mobile phone. No, not mobile. It's a mobile phone. A mobile phone can have many types. One of them being smartphone. Yes. Okay. So I have a phone. I have a smartphone. I have a very particular smartphone. I have an iPhone X, an iPhone 10. But that is one way that people can communicate. Yes. Which is what we're talking about today. Okay, I can communicate with a mobile phone. So, mobile phone. Oops, did that wrong. Absolutely wrong. Great start. Let's do that again, shall we? Phone. Sorry, that was me rewinding. Right, so you can have a mobile phone. Okay, you can have a smartphone. Yes, but these are types of telephone. Yeah, you see that? You can have a mobile phone, smartphone, or telephone. Yeah? Okay, so that's one way that we can talk to each other. Yeah? On a mobile phone or smartphone. Okay, that's one. Can you give me another way that people can communicate to each other? How else can people communicate to each other? I'm communicating with you right now, but how? How am I communicating with you? How am I communicating with you? And you? How am I communicating with you? And you? And you? Yes, and you. No, not you. I already said you. You, behind you. Yes, you. Yes. How am I communicating with you? Let's go to the chat. What are people saying? What Speaking. Yes, I am speaking. Yeah, but how do you know I'm speaking? How am I speaking? Through what? What am I speaking through? A window? No. How am I speaking? And don't say with your voice, because I know I'm speaking with my voice. Yeah, but how do you know at home that Andy is speaking? Okay, I want to tell you. Through a video call, okay? A video call. A video call. All right, that's what this is. It's kind of a video call. Yeah, this is a live video. Okay, so you can communicate by video call. How else can we communicate? Let's see what people are saying in the comments. Mario saying, I'm boring. I bet you are. Not many people like your jokes. They said that you're boring. Oh, that's not good, is it? Yeah, language. Internet. Yes, very good. Okay, I'm going to tell you a few ways that we can communicate. Okay, we can communicate via text message. Yeah, you can send a text message. Yes, although we probably don't do that in this day and age now. We probably send a WhatsApp message. Yeah, okay. How else can we communicate? We can communicate via email. Email is another way to communicate with other people. Yes. Do you have email addresses? Do you send emails to your friends, to your mum, to your dad, to your teachers? I don't know. Do you have an email address? Are you even old enough to have an email address? I don't know. No idea. I have an email address though, because people need to contact me at work. So I have an email address. Another way that people communicate is, I know some people said it actually down in the chat, okay? Who said it? Rodrigo, speaking. Yes, okay? We can just communicate simply by talking. That's one way to communicate with each other. We talk to each other. I'm talking to you right now through the power of a video call. Yeah. How else can I bring a message across to you? I could talk to you via social media. Yes, social media. Okay, I'm going to give you 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Now, I want you to type as many different social media as possible. What social media sites do you know or applications? Okay? Go, 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 go. I want to see in the messages now. How many different social media sites do you know? Come on, go, 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 go. Let's see. Who's got any? Who's going to be the first one? Who's going to be the first one? Come on, come on. Tell me, social media app. Come on. Go, 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 go. Anyone? No. I'm going to give you an example. Facebook. Facebook is a social media app. Okay? Anyone else? Anyone? Who's that? Anna. Instagram. Well done, Anna. Yes, Instagram is a social media. Very good. A type of social media. Instagram, capital letter, because it's famous. That's what you call it, a proper noun. Facebook, Instagram. What else? Any more? Any more? Yes, Rodrigo. Twitter. What else have we got? Hangouts. Hangouts? What's Hangouts? Oh, you mean Google Hangouts? Yes, yes, very good. Okay, we've got Twitter, Hangouts. Fortnite is not a social app. No, it's not social media. Fortnite's different. Okay, we've got Twitter. What else we got? WhatsApp. Okay, I think someone said Snapchat. I saw, maybe? No, I just invented that. Snapchat. That's another one. Snapchat. Okay, any more? Any more? What's another famous video calling? Video calling social media app. Very, very famous. Does anyone know what it's called? Begins with an S. It's very similar to the word up there where the moon and the sun are. They are in Ah, we've got it here. Yes, Skype. Well done. Well done. Skype. Okay, and another way that you can communicate is with music clips. Yeah, what's that famous app that all the young people are going crazy for? Who's that? Dunia? Am I saying that right? I have no idea. But well done, you got it right. TikTok, yes, that's another one. TikTok is another social media app where you can upload videos and watch each other's content. Yeah. Okay, now Fortnite. Let's go on to this. Yes, we've arrived. Fortnite. What is Fortnite? Fortnite is... Drop my chalk. Fortnite is what? Fortnite is... I don't know. I don't play Fortnite. So, do you listen to music on Fortnite? Is that what it's all about? Is Fortnite kind of like... do you... I don't know. Do you have to collect rings or something? Do you have to fight up people? Like, what's Fortnite? I have no idea. No idea. All I know, Fortnite is dancing. It's a dancing game, right? Because it's where all this comes from. Yeah? And this, what else? There's this one or something, isn't there? Something like that. Yeah, Fortnite's a dancing game, isn't it? Was a form of video game. Video games. The big one being Fortnite. Yes. Or I should say in Spanish, Fortnite. Yeah, it's not Fortnite, it's Fortnite. Yeah. Okay. Fortnite is boring. I agree. Yes, Fortnite is boring. Okay, probably because I don't play it, so I don't understand it really. So, yeah. So that's one way you can communicate with online gaming, with video games. Okay, we can do online gaming. This is where you can play games with other people around the world. Yes, the whole world is connected. The whole world is online. Okay, another way you can connect with people, or you can communicate, is blogging or vlogging. Vlogging is video. That's not good. There we go. Video blogging. Vlogging. Yes. Can you see that? It's a bit faint, isn't it? A bit faint. Vlogging. Do you know anyone that does vlogging or vlogging? Anyone? Maybe? Maybe not? I don't know. I don't know what you do in your free time. Play Fortnite? Yeah, I know. That's all you do, isn't it? It's all young people ever do. Play Fortnite all the time. So let's talk about these kind of things with different people. Okay. For example, how would you communicate with your mum or your dad? How would you talk to them? Would you send your mum an email? Would you say, "Dear mum, I will arrive late home today because I am studying at a friend's house. I would like sausage and chips for dinner. See you soon, bye-bye." Would you send an email to your mum? Yes? No? I don't know. How do you communicate with your mum? How do you communicate with your mum as well? What do you do? Do you give her a call? Do you phone her? What do you do? With email? With email? Raphael, you send your mum an email, do you? No, you don't. You probably send, WhatsApp or speaking. Yeah, but how do you speak to your mum? Do you mean speaking like person to person? Yeah, like mum's here, kind of thing. Hi, mum. I'm going to be late. We can't really say that to her face because you're already late, aren't you? So, you maybe send your mum a message, WhatsApp message. Yeah. How would you maybe speak with your grandma? or your grandmother, or your grandfather? How would you speak to your grandparents? Would you send them a message? Would you say, hey, grandma, I'll be at your house at 5 o'clock? Would you send your grandma a WhatsApp? Yes? No? I don't know. Maybe your grandma's quite cool and she's got a smartphone. Yeah? She's got a Samsung Galaxy. Yeah? I don't know. My grandma, she doesn't have a phone. She has a landline. A landline was a phone, and the phone is connected to the wall. So if I want to speak to my grandma, I have to ring her. I have to call her. Yeah, she doesn't have a mobile phone. She doesn't have a smartphone. She doesn't have WhatsApp. But maybe your grandparents do, and that's a cool thing. Yeah. Okay, what about your friends? How do you speak to your friends? How do you speak to your friends with all of this? Do you send an email to your friends? Do you video call your friends? Do you send them an Instagram photo? Yeah? Do you send a photo of you playing football? Like, selfie. Want to play football? Upload. How do you talk with your friends? What do you use here? Let's see what people are saying. Video call, very good. FaceTime, that's a good one. Yes, I FaceTime my friends as well. I FaceTime my mum yesterday, actually. Yeah, FaceTime mummy, she's doing okay. So, what else? WhatsApp, Hangouts, video call, WhatsApp. Okay, so quite the normal things with friends. Yes, TikTok. Of course you do. Yes, TikTok. Okay, what about a gamer? How do you communicate with a gamer? How would you talk to a gamer? Would you send them a WhatsApp to a gamer? Would you send them an email? What's a gamer? Does anyone know? A gamer. A gamer is maybe someone in Germany or Japan or America or South Africa. How would you message a gamer? What would you do with them? Anyone? Anyone? No? Wouldn't message a gamer? Maybe you'd speak to them online, especially if you play Fortnite. I know people that play Fortnite, they have like a headset. Yes, and they can talk to the gamer on their TV screen while they're playing. Yeah. What else could you, how else could you talk to other people? What about a follower on Instagram or Twitter or Snapchat? How do you talk to them? Do you give them a call? Do you say, hi, thanks for liking my last Instagram photo. It's really cool, isn't it? Yeah, okay, bye. Then do you ring your next follower? Hi, thanks for liking my photo. Do you ring your followers? No, we don't ring our followers, do we? No, we probably send them a message on Instagram. Yeah, or on Snapchat, send them a private message. We wouldn't call our followers. No, we don't know where they are in the world. Yeah. Okay, so let's carry on. How do you think your mum and dad communicated with each other? Not now. How did they communicate with each other 10 years ago? Okay, so now we are in the year, where should we go? 2020. We're in the year 2020 now, okay? If we go back to 2010, okay, how did mum and dad communicate with each other? Did mum and dad send an email? Did mum and dad send each other Instagrams? Yeah? Does your mum and dad have Instagram? I know you have Instagram because you're all watching me on Instagram. Yeah. But does your mum and dad have Instagram? Did they talk to each other on Instagram? Yeah. Let's see what everyone's playing with. A letter. Oh, very good, Rothio. Very good. Yes. Maybe with a letter. In 2010? A letter? Really? Really? I think maybe mum and dad used to talk to each other by phone call. Yeah, that was very easy to do 10 years ago. I think maybe they sent text messages. Yeah. Maybe they used a social media application called 20. Yeah. I don't know, maybe you guys might be a bit young to know what 20 is. But it was kind of like Facebook, I think. It was the Spanish Facebook. That's what I've heard. That's what they tell me, anyway. 20. Maybe mum and dad spoke on 20. Okay. Ask them. Ask them right now. Say, Mum, how did you speak to Dad when you were younger? Yeah. Or, Dad, did you have a mobile phone when you were younger? Yeah. Ask your mum and dad now. How did they talk to each other 10 years ago? What did they do? Yeah. Did they have to do the old-fashioned actual speaking face-to-face? Yeah. Because my next question is going to be, how did your grandma and grandpa talk to each other? What did they used to do? So let's go back all the way to let's go to 1970. You see that? 1970. Yeah, when grandmother and grandfather were young. Yes, when they were young people. Yeah, and they were out partying. How did they speak to each other? How do you think grandmother and grandfather spoke to each other? What did they do? How did they speak? Let's see what you're saying. By carrier pigeon. maybe. That was a form of communication. Yes, by carrier pigeon. Not quite sure with grandparents, though, that they speak to each other via pigeon. But they definitely spoke to each other face to face. Yes. They would also talk to each other by letter. They'd send a letter to each other. Okay, that's how people used to communicate. Before we had emails and before we had mobile phones, we had to communicate by letter. Yeah? Can you imagine if you had to sit down now and you had to write a letter to all of your friends? Wow. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. No, Andy. No. WhatsApp, easier. Yeah. Grandfather and grandmother didn't have WhatsApp, though. 50, 60 years ago. Oh, no. Didn't have mobile phones 50 years ago. We didn't have internet. There was no internet. No. Absolutely none. Yeah? You're very lucky, actually, to be growing up in the world where there is internet and Wi-Fi everywhere. I remember when I was a child, little Andy, hello, little Andy. Yeah. When I was a young boy, we had no Wi-Fi. Nope. And internet, you had to connect to the wall to get internet in your house. And when you had internet in your house, you couldn't use the phone. You couldn't use the phone because someone else was on the internet. Yeah, it was either internet or phone, not both. It was really strange, but that was normal. That was what internet was when I was a little child. Yeah. So very lucky in today's world to have all this internet and Wi-Fi business. What else we got? Okay, there's lots and lots of verbs that we can use when talking about communication. Let me clean the board. Can I clean the board? Yes, I can. The towel is here. Okay, so let's look at some useful verbs, shall we? Okay, so when you want to make a phone call, you make. So we say to make a phone call. To make a phone call. Or you can just make a call as well. Can you see that? No. If I do it that way, now you can. To make a call. Or you can make a phone call. Yeah, you can also send a text message, or you can send a message. Okay, again, you can do the same here. To send a message or to send a text message. Here, you could also say a WhatsApp message if you want. Yeah. What else could we say? You can chat to somebody. When you make a phone call, then you chat. When you chat, you have to chat to somebody. Okay? This means somebody. Okay, to chat to my friend, to chat to my mum, to chat to Alvaro, to chat to Danny, to chat to Lydia. Yes, to chat to somebody. To chat means to just to have a friendly, fun conversation. To chat. Okay, that's what that is. To chat to somebody. You can email somebody as well. So you can send an email. If you send an email to somebody, or you can just email. To email somebody. Okay, they both mean the same thing. Yes. Yesterday, I sent an email to my teacher. Yesterday, I emailed my teacher. So you can use both. They mean exactly the same thing. Yeah. You can download something. To download something. Okay, you can download something, or you can upload. Upload. Download, upload. Okay, to download something. Oh, let's put something here so you can see. Something. This is. Can you see that? Can you see? Can you see? Yeah, yeah. To download something, to upload something. Okay, to download something means that when you take something from the internet. Yes, so you can download a file, you can download music. So you could upload a video to TikTok, for example. Yes, okay. There are lots and lots of verbs that we can use with the topic of communication technology. So, Inglaterra in Casa students, okay, you need to go onto the Curso Online and go to today's lesson, and you'll see the lovely PDF that I've created for you. It's got lots and lots of vocabulary on there, okay? So I hope you've downloaded it. Have a look at it now, okay? Lots and lots of verbs, all right? Let's look at some vocabulary, okay? Because this topic's got lots and lots of vocabulary as well. You've got email address, okay? What's your email address? Can you tell me it? Yeah, because there's two things that Spanish people get wrong all the time, and that's this. Can you see that? No, you can't. That's this. How do you say that in English? What do we say? My email address is Andy. You don't say arroba. No. What do we say? My email address is Andy. Let's make an email address up, shall we? I'm going to say Andy. There we go. Okay, that's my email address. All right. How do we say that? Oh, my email address is Andy. Let's see if anyone's got it. At. Yes, well done. Very good. This squiggly sign. We say at. So you say, my email address is Andy. At Andy. What about anyone? Yeah, I know it's that, but how do you say that in English? What do you say? What's the word? Because I know Spanish people, they go punto com. If you said that to someone in English, they wouldn't understand. Yeah? What do we say? Alvaro. Yes, yes, well done, well done. Okay, we say dot. All right, so my email address is andy@andy.com. Yeah, that's how you say an email address in English. Okay, you might say .co.uk, you might say .es, you might say .us, .fr, depends on what country you're in, yeah, what the ending of the email address is. What else have we got? We've got someone that writes a blog, is called a blogger. Yeah. We've got a chat room. It's like a virtual room online where you can have your friends in a room, kind of like this. Yeah. You're all my friends in this virtual video room here, and we're all talking. It's kind of like a chat room. We can use data. Using data is like the invisible information. The data is like, oh, how do you explain data? Oh, this is difficult. Help me. Data. Data is like the amount of information available to access the internet. So you have a certain amount of data. So you could have 5 gigabytes. You could have 10 gigabytes. You could have 1 gigabyte. That's the amount of data that you're allowed. Okay. Once you've had that data, then your internet goes really slow. You can't do anything. Yeah. Data is like the amount of internet power you have on your phone or your tablet. What else have we got? Download. We've covered that one. File. Oh, that's a common one. File. So you know, on your computer, you might have an icon like this. Yeah, on your desktop, okay? It could be, let's call it Alvaro's homework. Okay, so on your computer, you might see like a logo and then the name of a document. Okay, this is called a file. It's a file. Okay, so you can get a Word file, you can get an Excel file, you can get a PowerPoint file. Okay, it's kind of like a document on your computer. You call it a file. Okay, so for those that didn't know that, okay, a file. What else have we got? Hardware. Hardware is like computer, printer, mouse, keyboard. It's called hardware. It's kind of like the items of technology that connect to each other. Okay, what else have we got? The internet. The internet is very, very famous. Okay, without the internet, we'd have no connection with each other around the world. No internet, no connection. Oh my God, a world without internet. Oh! Yeah, try living 20 years ago. That's what a world without internet was. It was beautiful, beautiful. What else have we got? Keyboard. Keyboard is the things that you tap. Tippy tappy, tippy tappy. That is the keyboard. Yeah. You've got a laptop. What's the difference between a desktop and a laptop? Well, a desktop computer is a computer that stays on the desk. You can't move it. Yeah. A laptop is something that you can fold away and you can put in your bag, and then we can go home with that computer. Yeah, that's a laptop. Okay. What else have we got? There's lots and lots of vocabulary with communication technology. You've got password. Password is the magic phrase, the magic word, the magic letters that you put in to access then a website or your email address or your account or something. Yeah. Podcast. Podcast is really good. Podcasts are like TV shows with no TV. Yeah, it's just a listening audio kind of radio show. Yeah, podcasts are really good for learning English as well. Robot. Yes, I am a robot. We know what robot is, it's the same in Spanish. You can have smartphone, social media, telephone, text message, upload, video clip, webcam, web page, website. There's lots and lots of vocabulary for communication and technology. Okay? But we're going to carry on with this the next class, okay? Because that's all for today, okay? You've been really good today, guys. Thanks for logging on and joining me. That was today's lesson on communication and technology, okay? If you want to do a bit more work at home, like I said, go onto the Corso online. Make sure you download the PDF of the PowerPoint that I've created for you, okay? Practice a little bit at home. We'll carry on with this next lesson, okay? Thanks, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.